now as you were able to see, the winning text appear when all the gold pieces were taken. So we want to also trigger that sound. So how do we do that? So instead of adding in our player script here, instead of adding different audio sources and then dragging a piece of audio into every audio clip there, instead of doing that, we'll use one audio source and create different audio clips, okay? So for that, let's just hit this none first, and we'll have to go back to our script. Okay, so we already have our public audio source in the complete player controller script, and what we want to do is we want to add audio clips. So we go public audio clip, there you go, and let's name it pieces sound. Okay, you can name that whatever you want, and then public audio clip and YouWin sound. Okay. And then you add YouWin sound. Okay, so now the thing is, we need to change this a little bit differently. We can't just say play. We need to tell the game object which clip to play. So in that case, instead of play, we will go play one shot. Okay, and you just add the audio clip that we chose. Okay, so in that case, pieces sound. Okay, and then let's save that. All right, we'll go back to Unity, and yep. So now again, you'll find pieces sound and YouWin sound appearing here in the complete player controller script. So yep, it's just a matter of dragging. Now, yep, let's see if that works. And it does. Cool. All right. So now we want to add the YouWin sound. So I have another sound here. Win. Let's just preview it. Yep. Cool. All right. So we go back into the player script. Let's just drag that winning sound right now. And what we need to do now is we need to go back to the script and we need to put the commands that will make this happen. So we go back to Visual Studio, and now what we want to pay attention to is this void set count text. So here, this function updates the text displaying the number of objects we've collected and displays our victory message if we've collected all of them. So yeah, as soon as the victory message is displayed, then we want to trigger a sound. So it's definitely here, okay? All right, so after, yes, when the UN text comes up, then again, play win sound. So again, we can copy this line of code, okay? Okay, but instead of pieces sound, now what will happen is we will have to put YouWin sound. Okay. Right. Cool. File save. And yeah, let's go back to Unity. Right, we already dragged the file there. Okay, so let's see if that works. Okay, so two problems here. The winning sound also plays on awake without the checkbox here being checked, and the winning sound and the playing and the pieces sound are both triggering at the same time, and we obviously don't want that. Let me show that one more time. Most likely there's a problem in the code, and yes, so there are no curly brackets. I forgot to put those, but mistakes are good, because then you will notice and be more careful about the errors that you put. So pretty much always when you have an if statement, if something, and then curly brackets, and then it will whatever is inside the curly brackets will be done or the command will be executed by this. If this happens, then this will happen, but this had to be inside the curly braces. So let's see if that works. Again, save. Okay, and then go to Unity, and okay, and then everything seems to be in order, and then let's see if that works. All right, so again, I deactivated the music player, so yep, okay, music pieces are being collected. Okay, collect all of them. All right, and the YouWin sound just appears. Okay, cool. So in the next video, we'll add sounds to the edges. So whenever the UFO bangs the edges, there will be some sound. And also we will add sound to the UFO spinning or cruising around. Okay, so then see you in the next video.